Hi, this is Richard from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a Mazda 3, stock reference number 5869. This shape ran from the 10th of 2003 to the 6th of 2006. It has an L3 4-cylinder 2.3 litre petrol engine backed by an auto front wheel drive transmission. Here we have our L3 4-cylinder 2.3 litre petrol engine. Left hand headlight, sun faded, needs a polish. Left front guard, no dents. Left front wheel, factory alloy mag, 17-inch rim, good tyre. Left hand mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 17-inch rim, good tyre. Left hand tail light. Tailgate, peeling on the top. Right hand tail light. Right rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 17-inch rim, good tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front door, no dents. Right hand mirror. Right front wheel, factory alloy mag, 17-inch rim, good tyre. Right front door trim. Right front master switch. Center console. Gear stick. Heat AC controls. Stereo head unit. Interior mirror, left hand sun visor, courtesy light, right hand sun visor, tidy leather steering wheel, 3 spokes with audio buttons,